know it's been a long time since I've done a hair tutorial, so why not? Scratch that. It's your girl known as Nona. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I realized I haven't done any hair related content in over 2 months, so I decided what better way to come back with a hair tutorial, technically a wash and go after you have a protective style. As you can see, your girl got braids. Honestly, I shouldn't have used a black backdrop to do this, but I'm too lazy to change it, and it's nighttime anyway. So yeah, as you can see, I have box braids. Obviously my hair's really fine, but it's about that time. I've had them in for a little over 3 weeks, and I actually really like them, but it's time. My hair cannot handle this. My scalp is like itchy, flaky, all that good stuff, no matter how much I wash, and it's just the type of hair that I have, so it is time that I wash it out. So I'm gonna do a complete like wash day hair TLC from A to Z because my hair needs it. I know it needs it really bad, so I'm gonna start in taking out these. I have medium size. I don't know how many I have. I didn't count, but as you can see, they're pretty medium size that I have in my hair. Did use the pre-stretch hair, and this was actually my first time doing box braids. I did have freaking help because it wasn't going right, but I really like them. My friend that was teaching me how to do them basically had me do them without a mirror. So yeah, there's no specific pattern. As you can see, I just wanted them to be able to flow each and every direction, but I can get closer and you guys can see. So this is 3 weeks. Like some is just hanging on by a thread. So it's time for them to go. So, I mean, I miss my curls anyways, and it's technically fall here in Florida, so you know I need a haircut, might blow the hair out, who knows. But anyway, so I'm gonna take these down. Hopefully they don't take a long time because they took a long time to put in. This took me like first attempt, let's say the first attempt took me about 3 hours to get freaking 4 braids in my hair, and I was over it. Had to go to sleep, had to wash the day away. Then I woke up again at 8, luckily with the help of my friend, got the technique down. So I realized that I'm not a hairstylist and I braid differently. So I think that's what really messed me up. But I was able to like revive a couple of these, so yeah, just bear with me. But I don't know how long my hair is. And so what we're gonna do, I'm assuming, is we're gonna start from the back because I feel like that's the smartest thing to do. You got your scissors. I don't really know how long my hair is, so let's pray that I don't cut any hair because that would be terrible. So normally you can see your hair. I don't know, y'all. This might be a little hard. So I'm just gonna gauge. I'm actually gonna cut really low because I can see pieces in my hair, but I don't see. My hair is layered so weird, so like there may be just a little piece, but I know my hair's not that long. I can't remember, Jesus. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut. Pray I don't see no hair in there. I think we're good. So hopefully these are just like come out really easily because they're just sliding at the top of my hair anyways. But I really did enjoy these. It gave my hair a nice little break. So if you guys haven't done box braids before or a protective style, I definitely recommend these. I don't think I would be able to keep them in for months at a time like some people do. My scalp was just not having it, and then I had to periodically just retouch them, so I felt like it was honestly just time for them to go. And yeah, I think that this is gonna take a while because it's already kind of like matted, and the fact that I don't know where my hair is, I'm just kind of being safe and cautious right now because I don't want to cut my hair. So well, I don't want to unintentionally cut my hair. I'm due for a new haircut, so yeah. But most importantly, I did love these. Very inexpensive, especially when you're like doing them by yourself or you have somebody helping you. It's definitely going to be a go-to style for me when I don't want to do my hair for at least 2 weeks, because if you have curls and you do 2 wash days a week, it's hard. Or if you're lazy like me sometimes and you forget to do the proper care when you get out the shower, you wasted a wash day, you wasted product, and you're just all upset again. So I don't think we're getting to any hair yet. Oh, wait. Hold on, y'all. See, I don't want to cut again because I literally can't see where my hair is. Let me move this mirror closer for you guys. So, okay. Oh, so this is my hair. Can you guys see? This is my hair, which honestly blended right in. Oh my goodness. So I think I might be able to get, it's tangled. I know I'm gonna need to wash. Whew, so good. But I was seeing some they just slide out, but this one, and this one's literally off of my, this is my scalp, this is the knot. It's crazy. But like I said, I have had them in for a while, and woo, there you have it, the first one. We're free. So if you guys want to see how long my hair is, it is right down the here. Ooh, goodness, it is growing. Oh, and let's see. I don't know if you guys can see at all, but there's a little buildup right where the knot is. Yeah, it's kind of tacky here, and that's the main reason why I really wanted to take these out. My hair is actually really soft, shockingly. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and I know it's gonna shed like crazy because my hair normally sheds really crazily, and obviously not being able to like really shred, something's gonna be up. So now that we know that my hair is, oh my gosh, look, my hair is here and the braid's here. So it's like, where do you cut? This is gonna be an all night event. So obviously you guys don't have to stay for this. Let's see what time it is. It's 9:54 p.m. So I'm gonna see how long this takes to get the braids out, because the braids took a while to get in, but I won't really get mad at how long it took to get in because I was learning. I've definitely been wanting to learn how to box braid my own hair for a long time, and so many people are like, why don't you just box braid your hair? But my hair, the way it's cut, is in so many layers that they're gonna have so many stringy pieces just coming out, so I figured why not just cover it all and braid it up. So, ooh, child. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but I should start a timer. 9:54 is when we're starting, is our start time. Ooh, look at that little piece of golden. That's how we know we're somewhere. But yeah, maybe I should have started this earlier. I'm instantly regretting it now. But hey, I'm just really excited to come back to my channel and show you guys hair tutorials, because I feel like I do so many hair things, but I just am so lazy when it comes to vlogging them and making content out of them. So I have to do better, especially with the year coming to an end. I promise you guys to do better. And I got new studio stuff. So yeah. Oh, I got a message. Somebody cares about me. And I know you guys probably don't want to sit here while I do this, so I'm actually just gonna speed it up and see how long it takes for me to do half the side of my head, and then we will put this show on the road, okay? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so an hour and 30 minutes later, this is what we got. Man, oh man, that was a little harder than expected. Luckily, this bad boy have been helping me out because my fingers hurt, and I'm just able to just glide it through. And some of them are slipping out, like as you can see. I did not realize that my hair, and I am so sorry that I'm on a black background. I feel like it gives me no justice, but I really don't feel like changing it right now. But as you can see, this is one side. This is obviously the braided side still. Still a couple braids, handful of braids left. But yes, baby girl, the curls. Oh, so much body. Like, my hair is actually really, really soft. I want you guys to see there is buildup, of course. These areas right here, I know would have the most buildup, and that's typically parts of my scalp when it gets really, really dry. So ickiness, gross, and yeah. So, but I haven't really thoroughly like ran my fingers through it because I know I'm gonna get a lot of shedding. I just wanted to let you guys know the difference. So basically, all this is hidden in this. So yes, your girl has a lot of hair and it keeps growing and growing and growing. But yes, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side so you can see the full thing and we can assess the damage, if there is any. Guys, so hours later, I'm officially done. I know I kept saying I'm not going to change this background, but I feel like you can't see anything, so give me 1 second to change this background so you can really see my hair. Alright guys, I am back. Do you guys see this? This is all my hair. Baby, it is back to life. No, not back to life yet, but it's, all my braids are completely taken out. As you can see, there's still like stiff areas. Where all my parts are. Obviously, that's where majority of the buildup is. But, whew, I'm free. Free at last. Oh my goodness. My hair is so big. So I just want you guys to see what the heck. Do you see this? Oh my god. Do you see this? Do you guys see this? Like, this is a shit ton of hair. And I don't even remember how many packs of hair I used. I think I used about 6.5 packs. So that's actually not too bad. Like I said, I had medium-sized braids. But that was just, whew, definitely suggest getting some help because I'm tired. And obviously, that took about a total of 2 hours. Go down here. That took about a total of 2 hours. Obviously, I need to cleanse my scalp. I need to deep condition. I need to wash. I need to style. And it's already 12 in the morning, so yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to accomplish that all tonight. So what I most likely am going to do is I am going to wrap it up. I was going to sleep in deep conditioner, but I just want to sleep braid free, so I'm going to wrap it up so obviously the nastiness doesn't get on my pillow, and I'm going to be back in the morning. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the takedown. We'll get into the real wash, and then just to kind of show you too, I totally forgot. Obviously my hair has been trapped for about 3 weeks, but you're gonna see a lot more shedding than this. But there was little shedding when I was taking each braid out. Luckily, I don't think I cut. Well, I may have cut one piece of hair, but the way my hair is cut, you wouldn't even be able to tell. So yes, guys, I'm gonna take my butt to bed. In the morning, wake up, show you guys a full routine of how I revive this hair and get all this gunk and nastiness out of my hair so I can be a nice curly baddie again. So until then, good night. See you guys in the morning. And just a disclaimer, I probably won't have any makeup on in the morning because, yeah, I'm just gonna be waking up, so you're just gonna have to see what you get. Unless, I don't know, we'll think about it. Anyways, good night guys, see you tomorrow. Peace. Alright guys, to start off, I am giving my scalp a nice massage, really shaking up those roots. As you can see, my hair is still pretty stiff, so I just want to kind of a little massage before I add product on. First product I'm going in with is a Love Beauty Implanted Charcoal Shampoo Scrub. I like this because it has beads in it that really wake up my skin and my scalp and really refresh it. Oh my goodness. So I'm working my way into the back of my scalp. Honestly, as you see, as I'm distributing this product to my scalp only, I'm trying to just really get it in the roots and really get all that dead skin and that gunk off. And as for the rest of my hair, I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. I'm going to apply that more to the bottom half of my hair and really lather it up as much as I can. So after I rinsed that out, I went in with my Diva Curl No Poo Cleanser because I felt like I needed just a little bit more cleansing. So I am gonna apply that all over my hair and just kind of work that in. I really like this shampoo. It just because it doesn't lather, but it does give me a nice cleanse feeling without stripping my hair. I tend to use a lot of products that I feel like even if they're clarifying, but if they're still there, I don't know. They just feel like my hair is really dry. So I'm working that all in, starting with the roots all the way down and just kind of slightly detangling. I haven't brought out my brush yet because I just want to finger detangle for now. As you can see, the shedding has commenced, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab, this is just my little detangling brush. I don't wanna use my Denman just yet. I just wanna kinda slowly work my way into this without trying to pull all the hair out. Once we're done detangling, we're going to rinse out that shampoo. Oh my goodness, when I tell you my scalp feels like so amazing. Yeah, definitely a little TLC time. I think I spent a long time in the shower doing this. So as far as deep conditioners, I'm using the Deep Sea Repair by Diva Curl. I really like this deep conditioner, or this mask, shall I say, because immediately as soon as I put it in, I do start to feel that slip and my hands are easily able to glide through the ends of my hair without pulling out too much. So I'm going to let that sit in and look at all that shedding. Hey guys, nice to see you again. So as you can see, this is the finished look. This is day 2 hair. I did my hair late last night. So I did let it primarily air dry, and then I did diffuse for maybe about 20 minutes. The combo that I use is going to be the Cantu curling cream along with my almond and avocado curling mousse, and then to add a little bit of gel, I use the Balance Curl gel. So this is actually the finished look that it came out to be, and I'm honestly very impressed because there is a very minimal frizz. There is obviously my frizz where I just can't stop touching my hair, but for the most part I am so in love with this. Maybe because I haven't seen my curls in such a long time. Yeah, I miss them, so hopefully I can take care of them. Yeah, very happy. My hair looks a lot fuller. It still feels really soft, and I feel like my scalp is still trying to like adjust to not having braids in because it is kind of still a little dry. So I did put a lot of oil on my scalp before you know, I kind of took out my curls and kind of added more definition, but I'm happy. Hope you guys are happy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, always thumbs up, comment, subscribe, let me know what else you want me to record, if you guys want more hair tutorials, if you guys want more makeup tutorials, whatever you guys want, just tell me and then I'll do it. I'm trying to get back into more hair and makeup, but you know, I'd rather just do workout content. But anyways, thanks again for watching, and until next time, peace.